Well, friends, I've got nothing for you today. The Nothing Phone 3A Lite. Good day, you beautiful people. In today's video, we're checking out the most affordable Nothing phone. This is the Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna see what it's all about, what's new, and we're even doing a camera tour and some sample shots. Without further ado though, let's unbox. Phone, but are more on a budget, this might be the phone you may want to look at. At a more affordable price point, you get a phone that is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip, a rear triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main, an 8 megapixel wide, and a 2 megapixel macro, plus a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and of course, it comes with a very unique, distinct Nothing phone look. Of course, compared to the other Nothing phones, this still looks a little different. And one very unique Nothing phone feature that you're not gonna get on this phone would be the glyph lighting. Instead, you get this tiny dot notification, which I'd like to say is better than nothing. Right, let's take a closer look at this phone. So first off, at the back, you get those 3 cameras. You also get the same plastic transparent back, which always makes for a cool looking phone. You get this very discreet Nothing branding over here. And of course, what's missing are the glyph lights. But it's not that we don't get glyph lighting on here. We just get them on a different form. So we can still pick from different, well, Nothing signals. And as you can see, it does light up still. Now up front, that is a flat screen. You get a volume rocker on one side, SIM tray, USB-C, speakers. On the other side, you get your unlock button and of course, the essential key. Right, time for a quick camera tour. So we have wide 1x, 2x up until 10x back to wide, and then up here you have flash settings and you have a flash storage setting. On the other side you have more settings, so you have your different filters that you can choose from. There is auto tone, motion photo, you can shoot 15 megapixel photos, you can turn on the lines and then your ratio, and then even more settings. On the right you get video, and you can do wide 1x, 2x up until 6x, and then you can shoot 4K 30 or 1080p 30 or 60 FPS. Under more, you get your slow-mo, time-lapse, pano, macro mode, and an expert mode that allows you to do wide 1x up until 10x as well. And of course, you get your different settings down here. Now, on the other side, you get a portrait mode that does 1x or 2x. And here you can do retouching, and on the other side, on the other side, you get your different bokeh modes. Now, on the other side, you get a night mode that allows you to do wide 1x, 2x up until 10x back to wide. And then on portrait, obviously, no zooming in or out. You have fill light, flash options. So it's a fill light on the screen. And then here you have your retouching, your different bokeh modes. And then under photo, you have 22 and 27. So that's 1 or 1.2 times zoom. You have your retouching. And under video, you can shoot 1080p at 30 or 60 FPS. Now, the cool thing about Nothing phones is that, yes, you can add in different presets. So as you can see, you can pick one, or you can even upload one, and you can even import one via scanning a QR code. Pretty cool stuff. And of course, these presets you could also edit and stuff. Right, that's our quick camera tour. Time for some samples. was our first look at the Nothing Phone 3A Lite. Let me know what you guys think, and like I said, this is just our first look, so let me know what else you'd want to see me test out with this phone. If you want to see a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.